Did you know that some crimes are so minor, you can't even be punished for attempting them? Welcome to the classification of felonies. Under Article 9 as amended by RA 10,951, felonies are classified into three. Grave felonies, punishable by capital punishment or afflictive penalties like reclusion perpetua, reclusion temporal, prison mayor, or fines exceeding 1.2 million pesos. Less grave felonies, punishable by correctional penalties like prisión, correccional, arresto, mayor, or fines from 40,000 to 1.2 million pesos. Light felonies, punishable by arresto menor or fines not exceeding 40,000 pesos. Now here's what makes this classification critical. Attempted or frustrated light felonies are not punishable unless it's a crime against person or property. Also, a light felony committed by an accessory is never punishable. So kung nag-attempt ka ng slight physical injuries, pwede ka pa rin kasuhan kasi crime against persons yan. Pero kung nag-attempt ka ng slight oral defamation, hindi punishable. Petty theft of property worth 500 piso or less is punishable by arresto menor, a light felony. But can you be charged for attempted petty theft? Yes, because theft is a crime against property. It falls under the exception. Kahit light felony, punishable pa rin ang attempt. Grave, less grave, light. The classification determines penalties and whether attempts are punishable. That's part 5. Next, Article 4. Error in personae, aberratio ictus, and praeter intentionem. The bar exam favorites. Subscribe, like, and share for law's sake.